Hi, I'm Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to apply the Bona Gap Master. So this is a silicone-free, solvent-free sealer, predominantly used for expansion gaps, so exposed expansion gaps. It comes in 15 different colours, so depending on what finish you've got on your floor, you can choose from an array of 15 different colours. Now, as well as exposed expansion gaps, it can be used in the gaps at the bottom of skirting boards just to give it a seal. It can also use for repair work in parquet or planked flooring. For large gaps as well, where you'd use Bona mix and fill, where you have to use lots of different applications, this stuff can work miracles. Now you'd usually apply this after you finish the product, so just base what colour you're going to use on the colour of the floor that you're working on. So for this, we're going to have the Bona Gap Master. We've got a 310mm tube applicator gun. I've got a knife to cut the tube. And the most important thing is to prepare the area. So I've got a small bit of timber in front of me, and before we start anything, I'm going to mask up the areas that I don't want the silicone in. So let's mask up the floor, prepare the floor, and put some Bona Gap Master down in this expansion gap. You still see it cool? Mm-hmm. So now we've applied it on the floor. Now, obviously it looks an absolute mess, but never fear, I'm gonna wet my finger and I'm gonna run it across just to get that smoothness. While it's wet, this is when we want to remove the tape. So it's very important to remove the tape while it's still wet, so you can get this seamless finish on the edge of the expansion gap. Okay. So now we've put the Bona Gap Master filler in here. We've used a light oak because we have a light oak parquet, so this is just for video purposes, and you can see that I use quite a lot there, but usually you want to use as little as possible, so when you're smoothing off the top, you don't have as much excess. So we'll leave this to dry for around about 18 to 24 hours. After it's dry, it will still be elastic. It has to be elastic to expand and contract with your timber floors. So there we have it. Today we've applied some light oak Bona Gap Master. We will wait for this to dry, and that's ready to go.